Right over yonder. Biting it. Got him. It's a pretty big carp. Oh yeah, it's a good carp. Very good fish. Man, this is a big fish. So I'm just pinching the line and letting line out to wear him out. It's gonna take a while to wear this fish out. Okay, he's hooked in the mouth. There he goes, he's running. He sees me, he's really gonna run. Anything? Find him with 8-pound mono. Yes. Wow. That's the first fish I caught on the new Rodless Reel. It's definitely a big fish. That's amazing. Awesome. The common carp too. Usually common carp, they put up a really big fight. So I was able to just aim the reel in casting position and let a little bit of drag out as he fought, and I was able to manage him in somehow. So If you can catch a fish like this on here on 8-pound mono, you can catch a pretty big fish. Let's see how he was hooked. Yeah, he's hooked down, not too good, but right down in the throat. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I was sight fishing for these guys. Caught him on this tiny little hook. There you have it. We're gonna let him go pretty soon. I'm gonna take a quick picture and then I'll let him go. All right, we're gonna let him go. Thank you, buddy.